Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me, Hema Subramanian. During the mango season, we not only enjoy these nice ripe sweet mangoes as they are, but we also try new recipes using those sweet mangoes. And today I'm going to share a very delightful sweet recipe. This is mango burfi. Why wait? Let's get started and check it out. For the mango burfi recipe, I've taken 2 ripe Alfonso mangoes. Cut them, scoop out the pulp, cut it into pieces. Add the chopped pieces to a mixer jar, grind it to a fine puree and keep it aside. To a white pan, add 1 tablespoon of ghee. I'm adding 1 cup of freshly grated coconut. So roast the coconut for about 2 to 3 minutes. After roasting the coconut for about 2 minutes, add 1 cup of boiled milk. You can use full fat milk for this recipe. So now I'm going to grate about 100 grams of khoya. This is unsweetened khoya or mawa. Now add the grated khoya and mix it all in. This is a great addition to the sweet because it will make it nice and rich. Keeping the flame on medium, continue to mix the milk along with the khoya till it's completely dissolved. After the khoya is completely dissolved, add about 3/4 cup of sugar. Now you can adjust the sugar according to the quantity of coconut and mango that you're using. Once the sugar is completely dissolved, add about ½ teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix that in. Now add the ripe mango puree. This is about 1 cup. Just mix it in. So you can see the instant color change after adding the mango puree. Wow, it looks and smells amazing. After about 2 to 3 minutes, add about 3/4 cup of milk powder and just mix that in, and it will help the mixture set and give you a nice shape for the burfi. So continue to cook this mixture till all the excess moisture is evaporated and it all comes together into a nice thick mass. After 10 minutes, you can see all the excess moisture is evaporated. So I've just cooked this on a medium-high flame. The mixture has become nice and thick. So once the mixtures become nice and thick, add about 2 teaspoons of ghee. You can see this mixture is coming together so beautifully. It's become nice and thick now. Turn off the stove at this point. So you can see the mango burfi mixture is done. It's come together beautifully. So I'm just going to grease a tray and set this in. Take a small tray, grease it. Add the mango burfi mixture. Spread it out evenly. So I'm going to garnish it with some chopped nuts, some almonds and some pistachios and some cashew nuts. Once you've topped it off with the nuts, gently press it in so it sets well. Let this set for about 2 to 3 hours. So after 3 hours, if you see, the mixture is set beautifully. So I'm just going to remove it from the tin and cut it into pieces. You can cut it into desired size and shape. Wow, the mango burfi looks absolutely amazing. It smells wonderful and you can see how beautifully it has set. So I'm just going to add a silver foil onto the mango burfi. This is optional. So here is this incredibly delicious mango burfi, which is a must try. This is a perfect sweet for any occasion. The
mango season is not going to be complete without trying this delicious sweet treat. So this is a must-try mango burfi. Let me tell you, the flavors are just incredible. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.